excited this year about the new curriculum pathways that we have, being with the apprenticeship program. And the excitement that I have about it is the fact that it teaches to local industry. I'm excited about the partnerships that we have in local industry, and even as far as Louisville, with different companies like RMAG and ATC, Tom Rook, Carrier Vibrating, Cola. That's just to name a few. We'd like for a welding class to be fun, exciting, especially for teenagers. So we work on projects. Some are projects that students come up with on their own. I have several students right now at this time making Thor hammers, so that's pretty cool. They're pretty heavy, so they can't really lift them up and use them as a weapon, but they're pretty cool hammers. But that's one example. But we also do stuff that's going to be used by people in the community. We've repaired grills and repaired all kinds of equipment, trailers and things of that nature for people in the community, businesses in the community. And we have even made some stuff that local industry has used in their factories.
My experience in the welding class has given me the edge over certain people because I have more experience, more hands-on experience than just sitting in a classroom learning about welding and whatnot. I actually got to, do stuff.